If your embellishments are buried in a drawer right now, you're wasting time every single time you sit down to craft. I've got something that's going to change that, and that's just the start of what I'm going to show you today. These are the Twisty Pod Sequence Storage Bundle, and I'm obsessed. You get 5 stacks in a set and 6 pods in each stack. That's 30 clear pods sitting on your desk where you can see everything. Your sequins, your beads, your gems, all of it visible and within reach. No more digging and no more forgetting what you have. These Twisty Pods are so worth having. They come in a set of 5 or a set of 1, and organization is my middle name. This is the 3D Crystal Gel. This gel dries glass clear, and you can mix in any colorant to get that gorgeous translucent finish. Water effects, raised accents, stencil texture, it does it all. Trying to apply adhesive to intricate die cuts without making a mess? Yeah. We've all been there. With these double-sided adhesive sheets, you apply adhesive before you die cut. That's it. Clean, precise, permanent bond every time. They're also great for adhering glitter to large areas. Okay, these arches. 14 dies, quarter-inch increments, and arches are everywhere right now. I've been wanting these forever. Frames, windows, shaker cards, so many ways to use them. 2 mini stamp and die sets, afternoon delights, and blooms with grace. And stylish greetings too. Everything coordinates, everything's ready to go. The Wondrous Ride Keyhole System. This one is the one I'm most excited about. The keyhole system numbers every piece and lines everything up perfectly so that you're not guessing where anything goes. They even give you a color guide. I can't wait to use this one. Layering just got a whole lot easier. All products are linked in the description. Altenew is offering 5 free double-sided adhesive sheets when you spend $89 or more. Just click the link in the description and use my code JeannieCrafts at checkout.